So this is what I ordered probably about a week ago. I bought it on eBay. Let's see if I can open the package. And inside we have the TWS i14 AirPod rip-offs. Now I've heard a lot of good things about these, but they're not even in plastic. So this is just, you know, the case, the box, I mean. But yeah, from this kind of angle, it looks, I mean, there's dents. It's not Apple quality, nor do I really expect it. So opening up, here they are. They even have the little plastic tab thing, you know, that you get on pretty much every Apple product. So let's take that off. They have a, let's see if I can focus that. Yeah, they have a lightning port. The reviews I've seen on these have been really good, and I'm not sure how different they are from real AirPods, but I think they look pretty swish. Oh, there we go. Oh, you dropped one already. They haven't got the little dot, sensor dot, so I'm not sure what I'm expecting. This kind of small scratches on it and little marks, but no, they look fine. So there's one, two. These better be good, because everything I've seen on these have been, all the reviews have been positive. Inside we have the cable, crappy lightning cable, and instructions. But I'm sure when I've read things online, they've actually had a better box than this. So I don't know what the hell's going on. But the packaging, not the best. But this looks alright. It looks fine. I'm not sure if it's got any charge to it, but yeah. Tell you what, they ain't half bad. I quite like them. Now, I'm not sure whether the microphone of these is picking up on the video or whether it's my lav mic. Hopefully it's the lav mic, because I don't think the mic's very good on here. But they never are with headphones, are they? But yeah, the sound's pretty good. It's not very bassy. It's fine. But then again, I never found Apple headphones to be bassy anyway, or earphones, or whatever you want to call it. Because I used to use the wired ones, and they all sounded like, not crap, but not very bassy. So yeah, so I use Skull Candies now most of the time, but I like listening to podcasts in bed, and I'd rather these fall out than trying to, like, you know, move about. But yeah, they're alright. They sound pretty good. They're touch sensitive as well, so you could play just by tapping. I'm not going to tap because they're actually connected right now, but yeah, not bad. It's a thumbs up from me.